Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the best percentage trick I ever know. So for example, you need to find 16% of 45, but doesn't matter. This percentage can be like not general, not 50, 75, 25. So for example, 16% of 45. It's hard to find 16% like in a few seconds. Of course you can do this, but I want to show you a really good trick how can we do this really fast. So the trick, we can swap these two numbers. If we have 16% of 45, we can easily write it as 45% of 16. So this is the trick I wanted to show. This is the trick. 45% of 16, and this is the same. Of course you can swap it. So this is the trick. But how can we solve this? Because this is not like a general. 45% it's really good to express as 50% and minus 5%. We will have 45. So we need to find 50% of 16 and 5% of 16, and if we subtract it, we will have our answer. So let's do this. 50% of 16, this is the half, so we know that it will be equal to 8, and 5%, this is the half of this 8%, or it is not half, this is 10th part, because we divided by 10, so if we divided this 8 by 10, we will have 0.8. So right now, subtraction, we will have 45% of 16, will be equal to 7.2, and this will be our answer. This is the same as this one, and of course the same as this case. I hope you understand it. Firstly, swap it and express this percentage like in this case it's good for you. So let's practice it. For example, you need to find 22% of 45. So this is a hard question, but if you know the rule, if you know this rule that I write before, we can swap these two numbers. So this is equal to 45% of 22. 45% it's really good to express as 50%, it's the same logic. 50% of 22, so the half, and minus 5% of 22 So we subtract it, and if we subtract it, we will have our answer. That 50% of 22, it will be as a half, it will be 11, and 5% of 22, this is the 10th part of 22, this is 1.1, so dividing this answer by 10. So as you can see, to find 45% of 22, we need to subtract it. So right here we'll have subtraction, because this is a 50 and minus 5, so the answer will be 9.9. 9.9. So I hope you understand this trick. This is a really good trick to use, because this is not like a general percentage. So the main trick, we can swap these two numbers right here and right here in another way. So I hope you understand this step, and expressing this 45 as 50 minus 5, and right here 50 minus 5 as well. So if you still have any question, write a question in comment, write a suggestion in comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.